Show you how you can make $500 from affiliate Fiverr affiliate roadmap. Simple. First, you have to choose one niche. Now you can choose freelancing tips, make money, small business tool, digital marketing. You can choose anyone. Then you have to next step is create content. Like you can choose platform which one you want: Pinterest, blog, YouTube, tutorial, Facebook group, LinkedIn post. Just use the example bus Fiverr gigs for beginner, how to hire a logo designer on Fiverr. After that you have to per Fiverr promote Fiverr services. You can choose logo des- logo design, or any SEO service, social media management, anything. After that you have to create content. Like you can create content like that: top 10 Fiverr services that make money online, how to start freelancing on Fiverr, best Fiverr gig for small business, what. You can ask ChatGPT as well. After that, if like how many clicks you need, at least you need a 2000 clicks. In 2000, if they 1% convert, then you can get 20 sales. So if the some, at least you needed 15 to 20 sale monthly to make $500 monthly. I hope if you follow the all this roadmap in the 1 month, you can make $500. You can make some small or big, but you can make 400, make 600. It depend on you. But if you follow this roadmap, you can easily make $500 from Fiverr. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like my channel and subscribe.